DJI Phantom 4 Quadcopter Aircraft with Spare DJI Phantom 4 battery. DJI Phantom 4. The DJI Phantom 4 is the smartest flying camera DJI has ever created. Able to fly intelligently with a tap, automatically create seamless tracking shots, fly intelligently over or around obstacles and much more. Flying has never been this easy or as much fun. Sense and avoid. We all use our eyes to see, and for the first time the Phantom 4 does too. Two small forward-facing cameras give it its own pair of eyes and an ability to not only see but react. In normal flight modes, if it sees an obstacle coming close, it will stop. In TapFly, ActiveTrack and Smart Return Home modes, it will fly around or over the obstacle, or come to a gentle stop to avoid a collision. It also gives you an audible and visual warning, so you always know what is happening to the Phantom. Fly with touch. The Phantom 4 reacts to your touch. In TapFly mode, all you have to do is tap on the screen of your smartphone or tablet and it will begin to fly in that direction. To change the direction of flight, you can simply tap the screen to fly anywhere. At any point, if it sees an obstacle along the way, it will either avoid it or come to a gentle stop. Visual Tracking ActiveTrack technology uses an advanced combination of computer vision, object recognition and machine learning to allow the Phantom 4 to genuinely see for itself. To follow a person, just tap on them and they will be recognized. For any other subject, all you need for more info and special discounts, please click the link below.